All right, here we are again. This is a very exciting day, right, Roxy? Roxy's here today. The other doggies aren't. They're at home sleeping. And look what arrived. Ooh, I'm going to put some really tense music over this voiceover here. So the package has all sorts of warning signs on it about batteries. That's a hint. That's a hint. And here's another hint. Here, you'll never guess what it is. This is from Skymount Drones, Calgary, Alberta. So, Andrew, can you guess what this thing is? Oh, I'm getting in your way here. What do you think? What do you think?
I think it's a heavy box.
It's a heavy box. All right, let's open it up.
Okay.
This is taking Muskoka Seaflea into a new era of, I don't know, we're just spending a crap load of our own money, I guess. That's what the era is. But hopefully we're going to be able to use this at Flea Fest, and we're going to really ramp up our video production stuff. I know there's a name for it, but this is gonna be fantastic. So here we go. Package opening. Ooh, look at all that bubble wrap. Very nice. Yes! Ooh. There are 3 people on our Muskoka Seaflea team that now have our drone certification. We just obtained that a couple of weeks ago. Took the brutal test from Transport Canada. And we all passed. So we're very excited about that. We looked at 2 drones when we were doing some research into what would serve us best. This one, the DJI Air2S, and what was the Mavic 3?
Mavic 3,
the Mavic 3.
The latest Mavic drone. But,
we could not justify the $6,200 expense for the Mavic 3. The quality is a little better, but we thought, hey, if we crash this sucker in the lake, we can't afford to lose that much money. So the specs are pretty good on this one. It's 5.4K, it's a 20 megapixel still camera, and active track 5 and all sorts of cool stuff. But we did get the Fly More combo. So let's open this box and let's see what's inside. This drone weighs over 250 grams. I think it's, 500 and something grams. So any drone that weighs over 250 grams, you must have your drone license.
And you must register it.
And it must be registered. Yeah, absolutely.
We upgraded. We got the DJI Air2S with the smart controller.
And what's the difference between... Oh, Roxy! You see a squirrel? You want to go out now? Roxy has to get a squirrel. Go! Squirrel! All right. So what's the deal with the smart controller here then?
So the smart controller actually has built into it the display pad. So you actually don't need your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android phone.
Gotcha. All right.
So it's nice that way.
So the smart controller is for smart people, or people that aren't very smart and they need a smart controller. That's us. What else is in there? All right, so what are you opening up here?
I'm just taking the wrapping off the batteries.
The other batteries. There. Yep. Yep.
This is a battery USB converter. So this will actually go on the battery. Plug it in there. So now let's come out. I think. And then it converts this battery into a USB charger
Oh,
for your phone or your controller or whatever you'd like.
right. Or when your kid runs out of power on his phone and he wants to play a game.
Yes.
Great. Yeah, now my kid will be stealing the drone batteries. Okay, doinks.
What else we got in here?
Okay.
We have power cord and adapter.
Oh, and a brick. So, yeah, my kids will be stealing that too. I gotta mark everything. Put stickers on everything. It'll be gone. So, we will continue this video. First, we have to do some research and some reading. Although Andrew has been diligent in figuring out all the technical issues. So, from what I understand, there's some hardware and software updates that we have to do. The batteries apparently are smart and they need to have firmware updates. Apparently they have some sort of brain inside them. And then we have to get the propellers hooked up, and then we got to figure out how to fly this thing and update the software on the smart controller and everything else. So, but anyway, that's kind of where we are today. We're really excited to take our Muskoka Seaflea video production to the next level. And with any luck, we'll have this guy going, and we'll have things fine-tuned by Flea Fest 2022.